This dance is called Make It. It's a 48 count, 2 all, improve a level line dance with 1 tag. Starting on the right foot, point the right forward, point the right to the side, into a sailor step, behind side side. Cross the left over the right, make a quarter turn left as you step back on that right, shuffle back on the left. That set of steps once more then, points off on the right. 7, 8, point, point, sailor, step, cross, turn, back, shuffle. Rock back on the right, recover your weight on the left, into a full turn, travelling forward over 2 steps. So half a turn left as you step back on the right, half a turn left as you step forward on that left. Rock forward on the right, recover your weight on the left into a right coaster step, back close step. That set of steps once more then, back rock into that full turn, half on the right. 7, 8, back, rock, full turn, forward, rock, coaster step. Now that full turn, by virtue of its name, is a full turn. Should you need to try and take that out, just walk forward. Back rock, walk forward, right, left, forward rock, and coaster step. So non-turning steps should you need to take that full turn out. Now I will demonstrate that full turn whilst we're doing the walk-through. I will actually be doing the non-turning walk-walk option when the music is on, but I'll still call that full turn so you know where it is in the dance. So let's add that section to the top. Points off on the right. 7, 8, point, point, sailor step, cross, turn, back shuffle, back rock, full turn, forward rock, coaster step. Rock forward on the left, recover your weight on the right. You're going to now shuffle yourself 3/4 of a turn over your left shoulder so you end up facing the front again. Left, right, left. Rock to the side on the right, recover your weight on the left, into a vaudeville, crossing the right over the left, step the left to the side, touch that right heel forward on that right diagonal, bring the right back beside the left. That set of steps once more then, forward rock off on the left. 7, 8, forward rock, 3/4 shuffle, side rock, cross and heel and. So again in this section we have got 3/4 turn this time, and that 3/4 shuffle. Should you need to try and take that out, just turn it into a quarter shuffle going to the right. So you'll rock forward on the left, recover your weight on the right, shuffle 3 steps, left, right, left, quarter of a turn right, add on your side rock, cross and heel and. So non-turning steps, should you need to take that 3/4 turn out in that section. So let's add that to the top. Points off on the right. 7, 8, point, point, sailor step, cross, turn, back shuffle, back rock, full turn, forward rock, coaster step, forward rock, turn shuffle, side rock, cross and heel and. Cross the left over the right, hold, step the right to the side, cross the left over, step the right to the side. Sailor, quarter turn, left foot leading, quarter turn side to side, step forward on the right, pivot yourself half a turn to the left. That set of steps once more then. Cross hold and cross side off on the left. 7, 8, cross, hold and cross, side, sailor, turn, step, pivot. So here we go, another 3/4 of a turn in this section. So you're going to do your sailor quarter turn, step pivot half gives you a 3/4. Should you need to try and take that out, once you've done your cross, hold and cross side, do a sailor step, do not turn behind side side. Then rock back on the right, but as you make that rocking back motion, turn yourself quarter turn to the right and then recover, and you'll be at the same position as everybody else. So non-turning steps, should you need to take that 3/4 out in that section. Otherwise, let's add that to the top. Points off on the right. 7, 8, point, point, sailor step, cross, turn, back shuffle, back rock, full turn, forward rock, coaster step, forward rock, turn shuffle, side rock, cross and heel and cross, hold and cross, side, sailor turn, step, pivot. Rock forward on the right, recover your weight back on the left. Into a jazz jump. So you're going to jump these next 2 steps. So the right is going to go diagonally back to the right as you jump, and the left you'll jump to the side. So it'll be a forward rock and jump, hitch the right and clap at the same time, chassé to the right, cross rock left over right, and recover. That set of steps once more then. Forward rock, jazz jump, off on the right. 7, 8, forward rock and jump, hitch, right chassé, cross rock. Add that to the top. Points off on the right. 7, 8, point, point, sailor step, cross, turn, back shuffle, back rock, full turn, forward rock, coaster step, forward rock, turn shuffle, side rock, cross and heel and cross, hold and cross, side, sailor turn, step, pivot, forward rock and jump, hitch, right chassé, cross rock. Chassé to the left, but go for a quarter turn on the end. Side close, quarter turn left. Shuffle half a turn over your left shoulder, quarter close, quarter. Coaster step off on the left, back close step, kick, ball change, kick, ball change. That ends the dance. That set of steps once more then, chassé quarter turn off on the left. 7, 8, chassé turn, half shuffle, coaster step, kick, ball change. So that is the end of the dance when we get to that point, but we have got yet another 3/4 of the turn in that last section. Chassé quarter, half shuffle. Should you need to try and take that out, continue to do your chassé quarter, but turn right instead of left at the end. Side close, quarter turn right, stepping that left back. Then rather than do your half shuffle, you can just shuffle back on the right into your coaster step and your kick, ball change. So that's your non-turning steps, should you need to take that 3/4 out in that last section. Like I said, that is the end of the dance, so let's put it all together. Points off on the right. 7, 8, point, point, sailor step, cross, turn, back shuffle, back rock, full turn, forward rock, coaster step, forward rock, turn shuffle, side rock, cross and heel and cross, hold and cross, side, sailor step, step, pivot, forward rock and jump, hitch, right chassé, cross rock, chassé turn, half shuffle, coaster step, kick, ball change. That's your dance. I'll now go through it with the counts. Points off on the right. 7, 8. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8 and 1, hold 2 and 3, 4, 5 and 6, 7, 8. 1, 2 and 3, 4, 5 and 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. So hopefully that gives you a feel for the timing of the dance. Now it is a 2-wall dance, so let's have a go at the back wall, and we'll keep going when we get back to the front so you can see how the walls join together. Points off on the right. 7, 8. Point, point, sailor step, cross, turn, back shuffle, back rock, full turn, forward rock, coaster step, forward rock, turn shuffle, side rock, cross and heel and cross, hold and cross, side, sailor step, step, pivot, forward rock and jump, hitch, right chassé, cross rock, chassé turn, half shuffle, coaster step, kick ball change, point, point, sailor step, cross turn, back shuffle, back rock, full turn, forward rock, coaster step, forward rock, turn shuffle, side rock, cross and heel and cross, hold and cross, side, sailor step, step, pivot, forward rock and jump, hitch, right chassé, cross rock, chassé turn, half shuffle, coaster step, kick ball change. So that is your dance. Now there is one tag in this dance. It comes at the end of wall 6. So it's virtually at the end of the dance, because you only then dance one more wall and the music will finish. So the music finishes in wall 7. So at the end of wall 6 is your tag. Wall 6 is your back wall. You will actually be facing the front wall when you come to do this tag. So your tag then, step forward on the right, pivot yourself half a turn to the left. Shuffle half a turn to the left, quarter, close, quarter. Coaster step, left foot leading, back, close step, and a kick ball change. Kick ball change. That's your tag. Do that once more then. Step pivot off on the right. 7, 8. Step, pivot, half shuffle, coaster step, kick ball change. So we'll go through it with counts in a moment, but we have got the equivalent of a full turn in this tag. So step pivot half and your half shuffle. Should you need to try and take that out, what you can actually do, do your step pivot, forward rock, recover. And then instead of the half shuffle turn, shuffle back on that right. And you can add on your coaster step and your kick ball change. So those are non-turning steps should you need to try and take that full turn out of that tag. Otherwise your counts. Step pivot off on the right. 7, 8. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. So that is your tag. Like I said, it comes at the end of wall 6. So let's have a go at wall 6, which is our 6 o'clock wall. Add on the tag and restart the dance. Points off on the right. 7, 8. Point, point, sailor step, cross, turn, back shuffle, back rock, full turn, forward rock, coaster step, forward rock, turn shuffle, side rock, cross and heel and cross, hold and cross, side, sailor step, step, pivot, forward rock and jump, hitch, right chassé, cross, rock, chassé, turn, half shuffle, coaster, step, kickball, change, tag, step, pivot, half shuffle, coaster, step, kickball, change, restart, point, point, sailor, step, cross, turn, back shuffle. So hopefully you can see how that tag fits in. End of wall 6, and like I said, the music finishes virtually at the end of wall 7 anyway. So that is it. That is your dance, it's your walkthrough, it's your tag information. Let's give it a go. To a bit of music.
Oh, mama, I'm gonna make it. Mama, I'm gonna make it. Oh, mama, I'm gonna make it.
5, 6, 7, 8. Point, point, sailor step, cross, turn, back shuffle, back rock, full turn, forward rock, coaster step, forward rock, turn shuffle, side rock, cross and single and cross, side, sailor turn, step, hit, forward rock and jump, hit, right chassé, cross, rock, chassé, turn, half shuffle, coaster step, kick or change, point, point, sailor step, cross, turn, back shuffle, back rock, full turn, forward rock, coaster step, forward rock, turn shuffle, side rock, cross and cross, side, sailor turn, step, pivot, forward rock and jump, hitch, crochet, cross, rock, chassé turn, half shuffle, coaster step, kick or change, points, back rock, forward rock, cross, forward rock and jump, chassé turn, points, back rock, forward rock, cross, forward rock and jump, chassé turn, to tag wall, tag, step, pivot, half shuffle, coaster step, kick or change, points. Hope you managed that one.